Hi everyone, have a good day. I am K. Surya working as Assistant Professor in the Department of ECE at SNS College of Technology. So the next video in this wireless communication lecture series is we'll see about the basic components of cellular system under the unit fundamentals of wireless communication. So this is the basic network components of wireless cellular system. The first important thing is the SIM card, subscriber identity module. Next one is your mobile device. So your mobile device, it will be connected to the BTS, which is the base transceiver station, which in turn it will be connected to the BSC, which is known as the base station controller. Next, it is connected to the mobile switching center. So your mobile switching center, it will be having several registers like VLR, HLR, AUC and ETR. Where VLR is the visitor location register, HLR is the home location register, AUC is the authentication center and EIR is the equipment identity. So you will see each one in detail. First one is the mobile station. A mobile station is nothing but one which is nothing your user device. So this user device is also a handheld personal unit like a walkie-talkie or cordless. A station which is intended for the use while in motion at unspecified locations is known as the mobile station. So or else you can say your cell phone in fast moving vehicles. The next one is the base station. So it is nothing but a fixed station in the cellular mobile radio system. So it is used for communication with the mobile station. So always your mobile station first communicates with the base station. So base station in turn will be communicating with the base station controller and then to the mobile switching center. So base station is located at the center or at the edge of each cell. So each cell inside a cellular network will be having a base station. So this base station, it will consist of transmitting and receiving antennas which will be mounted on the tower. So in each area you are having a cell phone tower, right? So that tower is nothing but your base station. Next one is the mobile switching center. So the switching center, it coordinates all the activities of call, like routing of the calls in the large service area. So this mobile switching center plays an important role in the cellular radio system. So each connects the base station and the mobile to the public switch telephone network. So it's also known as mobile telephone switching office. So this mobile switching center will be taking care of all the control signalings, billing, and the subscriber details. All these things will be present inside the mobile switching center, which acts as a main important component in the cellular system. Next one is the subscriber, is nothing but a user who pays the subscription charges for using the mobile. So you're paying the bill for your cellular system, right? So in whichever network you are subscribed, you're paying the monthly bill. You're using prepaid, postpaid, right? So that plans, all those things will come under the subscriber. Next one is the transceiver, which is nothing but a transmitter and a receiver, which is present in each base station inside each cell. The next one is the control channel. So control channel is used for transmission of the control signalings like call setup, call request, call initiation and other control purposes. So in control channel you have two types, forward and reverse channel. So forward channel is used for communicating from the base station to the mobile, and the reverse channel is used for communication between the mobile and the base station, right? So from base station to mobile it is known as forward channel, and from mobile to base station it is known as reverse channel. So you're having two control channels, forward control channel and reverse control channel. Similarly, you'll be having data or voice channels. of two types of forward voice channel and reverse voice channel. So for voice communication from the base station to the mobile, you will be using forward voice channel, and from mobile to the base station you will be using reverse voice channel. So next important parameters in wireless systems is a handoff. Handoff is nothing but a process of transferring the channels of a user from one base station to other base station during a moving state. Next one is roamer. Roamer is also similar to handoff, but a mobile station when it operates in the own service area, it is not said to be in roaming. When you're going to an area where you are not subscribed, so there you will be acting as a visitor, and then you're capable of using roaming services. For example, if you are moving from one state to other state, from Coimbatore you're going to Kerala or Karnataka, then your mobile will be said to be in roaming, because your mobile switching center, your register is in Coimbatore, but the mobile switching center that is present there is different. So you are moving from the own mobile switching center you are to a different mobile switching center. So there you'll be acting as a visitor and or roamer. Next one is page. A page is nothing but a brief message which is broadcasted through all the uh, systems in the network. Uh, Next one is base transceiver station. So it is a main important component of a cell. So important component of a cellular system is your mobile switching center. For each cell, you should definitely have a base transceiver station. This only connects the subscribers to the cellular networks. So transmission reception of the information, you will be having transmitting and receiving antennas. Next one is the base station controller. So it is an interface between the base transceiver station and the MSC. Next one is the mobile switching center, so which already we have seen, which is coordinates the cellular network. So it is connected to several base station controllers, and all the routings of the call between the base station controllers are taken place in the MSC. It acts as a switch. You see, MSC will decide which channel to allocate, whether to accept the call or to disconnect the call, whether the channels are free for data transfer. So all these things will be taken care of by the MSC. It also connects the subscribers with the public switch telephone network. So public switch telephone network to MSC connection will be a wired connection. So you'll be using optical fiber cable, microwave or copper cables. Next one is the home location register. So this is a register which saves the database of the subscriber uh, in its own area where he or she has subscribed. So it will be having informations like the status of activation, location, account status, whether you have subscribed to any special services, all those things. So it contains all the permanent data about each subscriber. Next one is the visitor location register. So this is nothing but it stores only the temporary data. Home location registers stores the permanent data. Visitor location register stores the temporary data about a subscriber. So it is kept in the MSC of the area the subscriber is located in. When the subscriber moves to a new area, the new MSC will register that particular subscriber as a visitor in the visitor location register. Next one is equipment identity register. This is a database which consists of the identify IMEI number, which will be saving the IMEI number of the subscribers. So the cellular telephone system provides connection to the PSTN for any user location within the radio range of the system. The main characteristics are it serves large number of users, it covers large geographic area with limited available spectrum by using frequency reuse concept, and so the basic components are mobile station, base station and mobile switching center. So this is the architecture of cellular mobile network. So a particular area will be divided into different hexagon shaped cells. Each cell will be having a base station. So inside the base station, you will be having antennas for transmitting and receiving. So the users that are present within a particular cell will communicate with the corresponding base station. Then all the base stations are connected to the mobile switching center, where the mobile switching center in turn it is connected to the PSTN telephone network. So when you want to make a call from one cell to another cell, so first the user will send the call request to the base station, corresponding base station. From the corresponding base station, that request will be sent to the mobile switching center. Mobile switching center will be transmitting page message to all the cells, and the corresponding receiver cell base station will respond to the page, and the link will be connected. After that you can connect the call, and actual voice transmission will take place. So this is how cellular architecture works. Next we will see about a few assessment questions. So what is a forward channel? Yes, the channel which is used for communicating from the base station to the mobile station is known as the forward channel. How many registers are there in the cellular system? So in the mobile switching center, you will be having four registers: home location register, visitor location register, authentication center, and equipment identity register. So what is the function of home location register? Yes, the home location register will be having the database of the subscriber. It will have all the permanent data of the subscriber. Thank you for watching this video.